Hi guys, I'm trying to fix up the ring light because in my kitchen we don't have such a bright light in my kitchen. So, Shadika, how are you, Shadika? Salmon. Let me see if my volume is up. Yeah, miss, I set up the camera, so I ask you guys to please subscribe to our family vlog. We're gonna start a channel on YouTube, but my kids are upstairs and I am in the kitchen. And this is my first ever prank on Zoe and Logan. This will be going both on Facebook and YouTube. So I'm in my kitchen, and my plan is I told them that they have to come. I asked them please if they can come on the family vlog, because you know what, I have to sponge and Zoe and Logan to come. So Zoe now, she liked the spotlight, so she's upstairs. Hi Vanessa. So she's upstairs with her brother playing. You guys can hear them in the background. So I have here the bunnies. So what I am going to do, act as if they are going to introduce the bunnies to you guys. And after that, I'm going to turn it out into I'm cooking the bunnies. Yeah? That's the worst nightmare you can ever tell my kids. So you guys can see here, me have me seasoning them and something ready for cook the bunny. So ready to cook the two bunnies. So therefore guys, I'm just asking you guys for little support. Prasanna, which part you did a long time? You know see that, Prasanna? You're good? So I'm asking you guys for some support, eh? I'm just asking you guys for some support to help me build my channel. Because you guys were the people who asked us to build, hi Anna K, to build a channel, like a family blog thing. Long time when up on Facebook, I tell you if you do that. So I am ready. We're ready for Zoe and Logan. Don't say nothing to them, please. And then come down here and Zoe, she can read good English, not Logan. Logan is more of a Dutch person. Oh no, please don't give them a tip or a hint that something like this is going to happen. Let me see if we can fix up the ring light, because I don't like how in here kind of darkish. Now my kitchen have no bright light, you know. So guys, let me try if it's, I hate if it's too dark and I don't want it to be too bright either. Yeah, maybe I should put the ring light over there. So bless up yourself, Anna K. Let me put the ring light over there, so then me call them down here. I'll show no bunny them. Shh, and don't make so we know nothing, please. Let me try to set up the ring light, because right now, I don't like how the ring light are treat me. Let me see. Then, if we set up the ring light like that, it will got too much reflection in the camera. What the heck? The ring light here bother me now. Maybe it should be here. Nope, it's too bright. The ring light bother me. Maybe it should be over there. Yeah, maybe something like that. I have light under my counter too. But honestly, I don't know if it still works. Let me borrow this light. I want as much, no, too much light in my kitchen, man. Can't have that. Alright, guys. Can you guys see me good? Cola bite me. Cola bite me. What, sorry? You see me in my house? Look here. I don't understand why place get so bright. So, guys, wait, make a show you, but the phone have to be in front of the ring light. Okay, let me put the ring light behind the phone. And then, but my phone, thank you for the tip, darling. The phone upon the fridge. Yeah? And me set up my phone in a way that it can be stuck on something on the fridge. Alright, make we see if the ring light, let's see if the ring light is gonna work. Right, is it too bright now, guys? Is it okay? Is it too bright? No can see me good? Tell me if you can see me good. Tell me if you guys can see me good. Okay. Because them pick me up tonight, you know. You're going to get the prank of their lifetime. Look, can see me good? Seeing love from the Dallas, Texas. Bless up yourself, TT. Thank you for the tip. TT, when you're done, you go type team Samantha. Come, me say you're my team already, you know. You're team Samantha already. Yes, me see. Watch what I go and I draw mine on my house. I draw mine here tonight. Whoa. Look, here are the two sweethearts. You see them? See the two sweethearts? You see how sweet they are? Those are the two sweethearts. You see them down there? Warming up each other. You see them? They're so sweet, eh? The brown one is for Zoe and the white one is for Logan. You see them? They're so cute. Yeah? So, tonight, the prank will be one of them have to choose. One bunny have to go. One bunny is for dinner. Curry bunny for dinner. Okay. Shh, no tell Zoe nothing because I know I no love Zoe, you know. Don't cheat for me. Don't do it. Don't cheat. Yeah? We're not ready? This feels like child abuse. This feels so much like child abuse. They're upstairs. I'm gonna call them. Zoe! Can you and your brother come downstairs? We're about to start the live.
Okay, coming.
Yeah, come.
Wait 1 second, Mommy.
The floor is gonna be a little bit cold, so if you guys could put socks on, or you put on your bed slippers.
Yeah, wait 1 second, Mommy.
Okay. Yes, I've been watching you from the beginning. You're like part of my family. I love the way you was teaching your daughter your language. You had me doing it too. Oh, bless up yourself, Titi. Hi. Look at big old Logan. You want me to pick him up, this big strong boy. Say hello. This is our first ever family vlog that we're doing. Say hello to Facebook, because you're going over YouTube too. You can't be shy, eh?
Hello.
Yeah, this sweetheart. You see how long Logan's hair is? Logan's hair is so long. Say hello.
Hello.
Yeah, give me some sugar. Give mommy some sugar. Yeah. You love me?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Sure.
Okay. I hope after this live you will love me too. Thank you. Here comes Zoe.
Wait. This is our bunnies. Let's do them dinner.
Oh, you need to start. Here is Zoe. That's your. No, don't worry about the bunnies. We're just gonna introduce them. They're part of our families, right?
Yeah. Can I pick one up?
No, you have to just say hi to them. This is our first ever family vlog, and they're supporting us, so we have to show some appreciation.
Yeah.
Just say hello. You're on Facebook, not YouTube, because you love Facebook.
Yeah.
And she's all in her pajamas.
This is my people, Mom.
Girl in her bunnies, the shoes, y'all. Those are your people.
Yeah.
Oh, you're Jamaican them.
Yeah.
Okay. We have to talk loud, make them hear.
These are my Jamaican.
Okay. Auntie babies. And okay, say you could never deny Logan. Logan is your twin. Oh, Naomi, thank you. Wait, where you go? Don't let him get out. Logan is Zoe. You gonna introduce your bunny first?
Yeah.
I think you should pick him up in this towel because he shed hair, and then I'm allergic to
hair.
Yeah, they're so warm. Look at them warming up each other down there. Look, let the people see them how cute they are warming up each other. Look there. They're just lying next to each other. Isn't they cute? Look at them. Okay, so you're gonna introduce your bunny first, Logan, Zoe?
Yeah, I'm going to pick up Logan Bunny. Logan Bunny scratch people.
Yeah, they always scratch. And tell them what's the name of the bunny. Yeah? Come here, survive. Come here, sweetie pie. Come here, sweetie pie.
That's my bunny.
Yeah, hold him like this. Come show them. Hold him. Don't let him get away, yeah? Because you know he can be wild sometimes. Come in front of the camera.
This is my bunny. My bunny name is Survivor.
Yeah.
And he like to scratch people. And he like to dig to our neighbor's house.
Yeah. Should we tell them why you get the name Survivor?
Yeah. Okay, I had other bunnies, but the other bunnies, can I put this one back?
You're gonna put him back? Let
Yeah.
them see him. Let them see how cute he is. Can I hold him for you?
Okay.
Okay. So, he had this Survivor. Why we give him the name Survivor? You wanna tell them?
Because we had other bunnies
You
like
have to come
him.
here, let them can see you.
We had other bunnies like him, and the other bunnies died because them was not so smart and them go under.
No, their mama
stairs.
ate them when they were born.
Yeah, the mama eat some and some go under the stairs and
The stairs fall on them
Yeah,
and they die.
yeah. And
So this
this
one
was
is,
the last one.
and he's the only one that survived from all his brothers and sisters. So we give him the name Survivor.
Put them
So,
back, Mommy.
If you guys remember, we had two bunnies that you guys give them name. Hey Zoe, she's almost bigger than you. Huh?
And we had the other bunny, Coco.
I know it.
But Coco
know
died
which-
too.
Yeah, they are the one that give the Coco name. They named
Yeah.
Coco.
You guys named Coco and Coco died.
Yeah, Coco died. So this is Coco's baby, eh? This is Coco's baby.
This
Yeah.
we put under it into
Yes.
Survivor.
Yeah, so Survivor.
And this is
she's
my
a-
baby.
Yeah, okay. Guys, this is our baby.
Come on.
We had no weapon so weapon.
Oh, I don't know about Sniffy. Sniffy scratch people.
Yeah.
Come, Sniffy.
And he's very...
Oh, you see that? Look, he's ready to fight. Look there.
Fight.
He's ready to fight. This is Logan's. I'm just going to hold him and let Logan introduce him to you guys. Because look, you see, he's defensive. He's in defend mood. You see? In defensive mood. This is how he stick his paws out and then he scratch somebody. Yeah?
Yeah.
Logan, come here and tell him about your
Oh,
bunny.
he's scared of you.
Yeah, he don't like to be loved. Come.
He's not... He don't...
And Logan speak more Dutch, so I will translate. I'm not gonna butt in, but I'll translate for Logan. Because Logan speak more Dutch than English.
Yeah. This bunny was the Tuda bunny.
The second bunny.
Tweede.
Tweede is second in English.
Second bunny.
Bunny.
Second bunny.
Because the other one that they name on Facebook, he ran away.
Yeah. And never come back.
Yeah, so we have to buy another one for you.
Yeah. And guys, it's not our fault that he ran away. In the middle of the
Logan,
night.
so you're too small. You need to get yourself on a chair or something. These guys can't see you. Okay, Logan, tell them about your bunny.
One of the first bunny,
The
the first bunny ran away. It's Papa's fault. Papa go in the middle of the night back to work
So
when he
weak.
was sleeping.
So weak. It's my respect.
Yeah.
Sorry,
Yeah, shut up.
I'm sorry. It was middle of the night when my father go to work. When Zoe and Ike was sleeping.
When Zoe and I was sleeping,
When Zoe and I was sleeping, he was ready to bite.
yeah, then they left the door open.
Left the door open from the bunny's hole.
But they leave the door open and the bunny ran away.
And the bunny ran away.
So welcome to Sniffy. This is Sniffy. We call him Sniffy. As you can see, his nose is always sniffing. We call him Sniffy, yeah? So-
He sniffs. What was the second name?
So, welcome to Sniffy. Look, Sniffy is in defensive mode.
Okay, Mommy, put them The first bunny was Snowy.
Yeah, the first one before this one was Snowy.
And then
Coco.
we called this
So
one.
guys, let's put them back.
good memory.
This one is the boyfriend of my bunny. And my bunny's too young to get the boyfriend, but...
Oh my
Yeah.
God, girl, you really tell people that?
Yeah.
Oh, shush.
It's my people, remember, Mommy?
Okay, it's your people. Okay. They can see you? Okay, guys. Look, Logan, Zoe's standing on the chair. Zoe's too small. Okay, can I put a chair over here? So can I tell my people something? Can I tell your people something?
Yeah.
Guys, come here. Come here.
Mama.
Guys, I should not say this on Facebook. Come here, Logan and Zoe.
Yeah.
I shouldn't say this on Facebook, but I have to put my kids here because I really want you guys to see the expression on my children's face. Did you guys know that mommy loves you, right?
Yes.
I'm so nervous to say this to you guys, but I really have something to tell you guys. I just
You have another kid?
if I'm pregnant?
Yeah.
Oh God.
No.
Why the first question if I'm pregnant?
Because you're nervous to say that I told you that you.
I'm
that you
nervous.
like this.
If I'm nervous, I'm pregnant.
Mommy, you
What
gonna
do
get
you
a
want to
girl?
tell us?
What? I'm pregnant. A girl or a boy?
Girl.
Why do you think I'm pregnant? What do you think?
Uh,
She said I'm pregnant. What do you think?
I think. I don't know.
You don't know, Logan. Well, I really want to say something to you guys, and guys, please can share this live that it can reach a lot of people, because maybe we are gonna need some help from some people. Maybe we're gonna need a GoFundMe, or maybe we're gonna need Miss Donna to step in and do something for us, because honestly, I'm in my kitchen and we look like we're having a good life, but we're going through a recession. And my kids don't know what's a recession, and I'm trying to hold back the tears, and I really didn't want to say this, but we don't really have anything in the house to eat so much. I have macaroni, I have cereal, I have sausage, but my house ran out of meat, and I don't know what to do because my bank account is empty. The last money I have on my bank account, Logan asked me to buy electric scooter for him.
No.
What do you want then? That thing is that thing, I don't know what, but it costs like 150 euros. And guys, I'm broke. I'm really broke. And right now, as you can see, let them see. Can you guys let them see over here, guys? I have over here my pot on the stove, and I'm just gonna light the stove right now. Yeah, guys, I turn on the stove. Yeah. And I'm just depending on my kids to help me out with the meat kind, because I don't have my seasoning, my onion, and my everything. Yeah?
So we're broke?
Yeah, we're really broke, guys. And I have my
But
seasoning.
you can still make groceries. You can still
I
buy
have my
groceries.
tomatoes, I have my onions, and I have my everything right here, guys. So I definitely didn't want to do this, but how can I tell my children? How can I tell my children?
What you're making?
Yeah, what do you think I have to tell you guys? I have something to tell you guys, but guys, I'm cutting the onion, and I'm just depending on a miracle for the meat kind, because I just what do you think I want to? We don't have no meat. What's the next solution?
We're vegetarian?
I can't be vegetarian. I'm not a vegetarian. First, you think I'm pregnant, what I'm going to feed the baby on? Vegetables?
I don't know.
You said I'm pregnant, eh? So
thought-
guys, what we're going to do? What? These guys don't come up with any solution. So you know what? Guys, I'm just going to cut the onion on the cutting board. Excuse me, Logan, with the chair a little bit. You can stand next to your sister on the camera and let them see you.
Papa have money.
Papa have money. Papa said he's broke. So guys, I'm just cutting the onion here on the cutting board. Sorry. I'm just gonna prepare some things, guys. Yeah, and I have my seasoning and I have my everything here. I cut half of the onion, guys. Guys, I'm so stressed out. I think I just need to have a little wine.
So we're living on street?
Because right now, as I don't know, they said that we're about to get kicked out. The light bill can't pay. We just don't have anything to eat. And when I'm hungry, I'm angry. Like Bob Marley said, a hungry man is an angry man. I only have wine left over. And guys, I have curry. And I'm just thinking now, I have to break the news to my kids right now. I'm about to break the news to my kids. Zoe and Logan,
Yeah?
don't look so sad.
Yeah?
I was planning this with Facebook behind you guys back, and I know you guys are going to say that I'm very I let you guys down and I betrayed you, and I'm sorry to be Judas, right? I'm sorry to be Judas right now. But I took you guys bunnies inside, saying that we're gonna introduce them to the people on Facebook. But you know what? While I was talking to Nadia just a short while ago, she told me that I could curry one of the bunnies, and
What's that?
Jamaican eat bunnies.
I don't want you to eat my bunny.
No, Jamaican eat bunnies. No, don't. Jamaican eat bunnies, and I'm just thinking right now, it's either either. It's either Zoe's bunny or Logan's bunny. We just have to eat something. We can't stay hungry like this. We can't stay hungry like this. I mean, we're so hungry. We can't stay hungry like this.
I don't want my bunny to be eaten.
No, listen, guys. Listen, guys.
I don't want my bunny to be eaten, Mommy. I don't want it. Please let them stay alive, Mommy. Please, I'm begging you.
Listen, Logan, what are you doing now?
I don't want my bunny to be eaten. I don't want it, Mommy. I don't want none of the bunny to be eaten. Mommy, please.
Can I get a hug? Can I get a hug? I'm sorry.
I don't want my bunny. Please. I don't want that. Mommy, don't eat my bunny, please. I'm begging you, Mommy. Please don't eat the bunny.
Y'all don't cry because I'm gonna cry too. I just can't see this happen. My children are crying. Let me take a sip of wine for this. No. Ask the guys on Facebook what's the next option.
What is the next pronation?
No option. Why you don't look at them? What's the next option? Ask them what's the next option.
What is the next
What is the next?
option?
We don't have chicken back. Right now, to the way we're so we're so poor. Right
Papa,
now,
can make Grandpapa paying the rent still?
we don't pay rent. It's our own house we're living in. But we want meat money. Meat is the problem. And we have, I mean, I love you guys so much and I sacrifice so much for you guys. And we don't have meat, and you want to tell me that 2 bunnies are in the house and you can't give me one of the bunnies? Huh?
I don't want
Why you can't give me your bunny? Explain. Give me a good reason, Logan, why I can't get your bunny.
I want my bunny to live.
You want your bunny to live. But if your bunny live, I'm dying because I'm dying for hunger. Why I can't take your bunny, Zoe?
Because that is the only thing that I love. Because Coco died already. Yeah. I don't want.
You don't want it.
But you can do that. But then I don't want to look. I don't want to look which bunny died, Mommy. I don't want
You
it,
don't want to
Mommy.
see which bunny died?
I don't want to, Mommy.
Why?
I don't want none of the money to die, Mommy.
Why you crying so much?
Because I don't want none of the money to die.
Then, okay, what's the next solution? Okay, you know what? I'm going to the supermarket. I'm going to steal myself some meat. Would you like for me to go steal myself some meat?
I don't want you to steal.
You don't want me to steal?
You're God pick me, Mommy.
I'm God pick me?
You just
Tell Facebook that.
God.
Just maybe if you tell them what you just said to me, tell them again. Speak to the camera. What you just tell me. What?
God, we're not broke anymore. Yes, Mommy, I don't want none of that.
What? Tell Facebook what you just tell me.
What then?
You said I must not steal because.
You guys don't steal because you God pick me.
Okay, and what you guys gonna, Logan? What you said you're gonna do?
I'm gonna pray to God we're not You can broke. Sell my step.
I can sell your bike and buy food.
Yeah, and you can sell my step.
Okay, so you guys said you're gonna pray to God that we get meat.
Yeah, Mom.
Okay, lead us in prayer. Lead us in prayer. Let's close our eyes and see if we can get a miracle. Can somebody lead us in prayer? Because Logan said, I'm closing my eyes and I'm in reverence. Let me bow my head.
Dear God, I don't want us to be broke anymore. In Jesus' name, amen.
No, Zoe, you have anything to say?
Yes, they're good. Please let us have meat again and food that we can eat, and that Papa can still pay the rent. In Jesus' name, amen.
Stop praying to God about rent. We pay mortgage. We live in our own house.
But what is wrong with Papa? You said Papa was broke.
Yeah, but I don't know what happened. Papa spent all the money. I don't know what he's spending
But he's
on.
at work, so
He's
what
at
do
work.
you have to spend?
I'm broke. Your Papa is broke. We spend everything on mortgage. Let me just see right here.
No. Please don't
No,
eat
come
our
here.
bunny! Please don't eat our bunny! Please don't eat our bunny!
I'm not eating him.
I'm
No, Zoe,
begging you.
come. I'm just hungry. What happened?
I don't want please, mommy, don't put it back.
Put it
Please
back.
put it back. Put it back. Don't carry none of our bunny, mommy. Leave it, mommy.
Why y'all crying? Why are you
I
crying?
don't want you to bring none of our bunnies up. You put it out there.
Well, the pot is boiling. The pot is boiling. Why are you covering that?
Because nobody's gonna eat our bunny, mommy.
What do you mean nobody going come here? What do you mean nobody going to eat our bunny? I want bunny meat. Okay, leave it. I'm dying from hunger. Facebook people, y'all see it?
Okay, but please eat one of our bunnies will be happy, mommy, be happy.
I'm not eating your bunny. I'm leaving them. I'm leaving your bunnies. I'm leaving your bunnies. Okay?
I thought this was gonna be a Facebook live that I can ask us questions.
The Facebook live that you can ask questions.
That them can ask us questions.
Okay, come give mommy a hug.
Only a miracle.
Okay, you guys finished? Only God can help us now?
Yes.
Okay, you guys believe so much in God.
Yes, I don't want to be broke. And I don't want our bunnies to die. And I don't want to go on streets. Yeah, mommy. Please, mommy.
Okay.
Do something.
Do something, but you guys have so much faith. You pray to God, so God's gonna help us.
I hope, mommy.
Okay, give me a hug. It's okay.
Tomorrow will Papa have
Okay, it's
so
okay.
much money.
Okay.
We're not broke anymore.
Yeah, okay. It's gonna be okay. You think we're gonna be okay?
Yes.
It's okay. It's gonna be okay.
We still have cereal.
We still what you say?
We still have cereal and bread and fruit and
Yeah, bread.
cookie and chips.
So we can live off of that?
Yeah, and we have drinks, water, lemonade.
Okay. And what do you think, Logan? What's the next solution?
Then you start eating bread.
I'm not a duck. That's gonna make me hardbound.
I don't know what big people eat.
You don't know what big people eat. Well, sorry, I'm Jamaican. You don't feed me and bread. We like bunny meat, curry bunny.
Then you make yourself dumpling.
Dumpling and curry bunny is the sweetest thing ever.
Not bunny, mommy, not bunny. Only
Wow.
dumpling.
Can I just chop off the head? And
No, mommy, no, mommy, no.
Can I chop off the head?
No, mommy.
Stop crying. I'm just asking if I can chop off the head.
No. Please, mommy, I'm not gonna sleep tonight if you go. Please, and then I don't cook us our bunnies if we're sleeping. I'm begging you, mommy, don't cook our bunnies.
Okay. Okay, I won't cook your bunnies. Okay, I won't cook your bunnies. Okay, I won't cook your but I'm gonna drop down and die for hunger, okay?
No, mommy, I don't want you, but I don't want the same time.
Okay, I'm not cooking your bunnies. Okay, okay. I'm not cooking them. They're too cute. I'm not cooking them. Why y'all hugging each other? Like, come here, so come. Okay, come here. Where are you going, Logan?
To see open food.
Logan, you gonna find something?
Mommy, in the freezer is chicken.
In the freezer, that chicken is old and rusty.
Oh, that's the only thinking we have. Mommy, you can eat sausage.
This is what you find. Sausage.
Look. one part of the dumpling. Here you go, Mommy.
Oh, you find flour. You're gonna take everything out of the pantry. We have rice. Oh my God! It seems like God answered your prayer. All right, okay. You are going to take out everything out of the pantry. Oh God!
Look, Mommy. Don't lie on us.
I'm not lying. I will put back everything. You're going to take everything out of the pantry, please. Put it back now. Put it back.
See,
Put it back.
I'm eating all my food, Mommy.
You're eating all your food?
Yeah.
See,
Okay.
Papa Crack pro.
Okay, fix them back. Fix them back in there. Fix them back in there. Fix them back in there. Come, baby girl. Come, baby boy. Come.
You see what I buy?
Okay,
tomorrow.
it's okay, no problem. Why you guys crying so much?
I don't want my bunny to eat it. You say you're gonna chop our bunny.
No, stop crying. I have something to tell you guys. You cool down?
Yes.
So, you remember the day when you guys pranked me on Facebook and you throw salt in? You can't go! You can't go! Wait, you can't go! Look at this! Look!
Mommy,
Why
you're almost to
you can't go! You can't go, baby! You can't go!
No!
Let them see your face! You let them see your face!
Mommy, I saw something fishy too on your phone. I saw emoji laugh.
I tell them don't do it. Look.
I saw emoji laugh, and then I thought them was laughing about what we crying.
It's a prank! I'll prank you! Let them see your face.
We're not gonna fuck our bunnies.
No.
We're not broke.
I'll prank you.
We're not broke.
No, we're not broke. Why you hiding? Come here. Why you hiding? Look at your people. Look at your Jamaican.
We're still rich. Not today, Mommy. Not today.
What do you mean not today, mommy? Not today. I prank you.
We're still rich.
Yeah. We still have money. It's a prank.
You cannot do this.
What you mean again? It's a prank. It's a prank. I'm sorry, do mommy hug. It's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank, okay?
Yeah.
It's a prank. It's a prank. Mama will never do that.
I heard you talking with Nadia.
You heard me talking with Nadia?
I heard nothing.
What Nadia tell me?
You said Nadia eat about bunny. You guys were talking eat bunny. I heard you with Nadia, Mommy, and then you tell that to me.
Nadia's a naughty girl. It's not a prank. Nadia said it's not a prank. I'm coming for bunny stew dinner. I'm on my way.
You're not coming to my house.
Guys,
go away. You don't know where we live.
Just be nice, okay? Guys, Zoe and Logan, they pranked me one time. This is our first ever family vlog without Bauka. I know I'm wicked. It looks like child abuse, right? Yes. Zoe and Logan, when they prank me wicked. Zoe and Logan can mix lemonade and put pepper in there and give it to me.
Pepper, salt.
Salt and pepper in that.
You need to mix it first, and then it look like it's nothing in.
And I know they're gonna come back for me. So you guys know what? You guys are not Team Zoe and